Just a few weeks ago, South Africans listened to the testimony of a woman whose face they were never allowed to see. She was known only as Witness K. Before she testified at the Madlanga Commission, the evidence leader told the commission that she had come forward voluntarily but feared for her life and her family. Witness K had alleged that a senior police officer had somehow gained access to her secure complex, taken photographs of her home, and sent them to her. Because of those fears, the commission allowed her identity to be protected. Then came the bombshell. Witness K testified that she was in a relationship with suspended Ekurhuleni Metro Police Chief Julius Mkhwanazi. According to her evidence, he allegedly asked her to pass on information involving money. She said she later shared information from an informant about valuable gemstones in a Killarney apartment. She alleged that what appeared to be a police operation was actually a plan to steal precious stones worth about 14.9 million rands. She also claimed the stones were later sold for only 110,000 rands, with those involved allegedly receiving about 22,000 rands each. Mkhwanazi denies those allegations and says Witness K is lying. Now, just weeks after her testimony, both Witness K and Julius Mkhwanazi have appeared in the Johannesburg Magistrate Court after being arrested in connection with the same investigation. The state says it's not opposing bail, but the court must still decide whether it is in the interest of justice to release them. Just weeks ago, Witness K testified as a protected witness. Today, she stands before a criminal court as an accused. The commission had the allegations. Now the courts will decide what the evidence proves. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.